poet, freedom fighter, activist, orator, and administrator, and also remembered as the Nightingale of India, is one of the most revered personalities of the 20th century. Can you guess who is she? Yes, she is Sarojini Naidu. Born on the 13th of February 1879 in Hyderabad to distinguished Bengali parents. Sarojini Naidu was an exceptional student with knowledge of Urdu, Telugu, English, Bengali, and Persian. Her remarkable passion for writing from an early age earned her a scholarship to study abroad. Her creative skills led to the publication in 1905 of her first volume of poetry, The Golden Threshold. Her work as a poet in English has been praised by leading Indian personalities including Rabindranath Tagore and Jawaharlal Nehru. Sarojini Naidu was one of the first women to participate in India's struggle for independence. She was the first female president of the Indian National Congress, and after independence, she became the first woman governor of Uttar Pradesh. Throughout her career, Sarojini Naidu worked for the dignity of the common man and the education and emancipation of women by actively encouraging the setting up of orphanages and schools for girls. She also urged the student community to stand united against racial and communal discrimination. Sarojini Naidu died on the 2nd of March 1949, but she will always be remembered as one of the founder of modern secular India. Writing career of Sarojini Naidu. Sarojini Naidu began writing at the age of 12. Her play Maher Munir, written in Persian, impressed the Nizam of Kingdom of Hyderabad. In 1905, her first collection of poems named The Golden Threshold was published. The volume bore an introduction by Arthur Symons. Her poems were admired by prominent Indian politicians like Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Naidu's poem In the Bazaars of Hyderabad was published as a part of the Bird of Time with her other poems in 1912. In the Bazaars of Hyderabad was well received by critics who variously noted Naidu's visceral use of rich sensory images in her writing. The Feather of the Dawn, which contained poems written in 1927 by Naidu, was edited and published posthumously in 1961 by her daughter Padmaja Naidu. Awards and honors. Naidu was awarded the Kaisar-e-Hind Medal by the British government for her work during the plague epidemic in India. Naidu's birthday, that is 13th February, is celebrated as Women's Day to recognize powerful voice of women in India's history. For her work in the field of poetry writing, Naidu was given the title of Nightingale of India. Naidu's work as a poet earned her the sobriquet the Nightingale of India or Bharat Kokila by Mahatma Gandhi because of color, imagery, and lyrical quality of her poetry. On this day, let's all together pay tribute to the Nightingale of India, that is Sarojini Naidu. Jai Hind. If you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.